Hey guys, welcome to BrinaCreations. In today's video, we're going to be making porridge yam using smoked and dry fish. By the way, my name is Oge and I'm reaching you from Abuja, Nigeria. I make videos on healthy living, great recipes, and how to manage your home on a budget. So I've heat my oil just a little bit and I've added my onions. If you've been following me guys, you know I love onions a lot. So just let the onions steam a little bit and I'm adding my tomato paste. And normally I'll add my stew base, but I don't have stew base on ground. Guys, I made a video on stew base, and if you've not seen it, you want to watch it, and I'm going to be making an updated video because the quality of that video doesn't seem to be fine. So I'm adding here just my magic mixed spices, nothing special, my 4 seasoning cubes, crayfish, and then I'm going to stir this to simmer very well. Notice I didn't add curry or thyme because we're going to making this local. And I have my dry fish. These are just the bonga fish that I have deboned, and the flavor is rich, you know. If you're cooking on a budget, this is one way to go. I'm adding my water now because I've allowed this to cook for a while. The essence of the frying is to make sure that all the spices get in very well. I have more fishes here, and then I'm going to cover my pot now after adding my salt, and then let it steam. This letting it steam helps it. It's just like you're cooking jollof rice and you want the thing to steam, all these ingredients will enter inside, you understand? So at this point, I'm adding the yam, and because all the ingredients have already been sauteed and mixed together, everything now is ready-made and it's going to just penetrate into the yam straight. I don't like to boil my yam before I start to add ingredients. That's another way to do it. But this one, I promise you guys, is the bomb, you know. So now I'm just turning or stirring to make sure that all the ingredients are well incorporated. At this point, I may not necessarily get exactly what I need, but that's fine because I'm just going to cover and let's cook for another like 10 minutes, you know. At this point, it's almost done, but this is when the work starts. I'm using my cooking spoon or toningari, whatever. I prefer to use my toningari because it is hard and I mean strong enough to put pressure on this yam. Now I'm stirring. I'm not just stirring. I'm stirring and applying pressure, you know, like pressing down and then massaging, something like that. To make sure that it starts to remove the starch from the body of the yam, and that way it starts to form the porridge, which is the that what makes it the porridge, you know. And I'm adding my smoked fish at this point. If I had added it earlier, it would have been pieces by now, but now we can still find some of it. And at this point, the food is yumilicious, you know. You can already tell from the look of this that it tastes yummy. And I don't necessarily need to add vegetable. I mean, I did not want to add vegetable for today's meal. But guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and then I'll see you in my next one. Bye.